you will be successful. Namaste, all. We are the team with the biggest heart, best preparation, deepest passion, strongest togetherness, and will to succeed. This day is ours. Let's create and capture greatness through our students. There is no cosmetic for beauty like happiness. The only thing that will make you happy is being happy with who you are and not who people think you are. Today's assembly is being presented by DVM Dalmiapuram. Name of the competition: Assembly. Rules and regulations. Any one Dalmia core promise is to be integrated. Time duration 30 minutes. Rubrics for judgment. Time management 10 points. Presentation 10 points. Coordination 10 points. Language skills 10 points. Integration of Dalmia core promise 10 points. Total 50 points.
Namaste. I am Sifana from grade 4. I am really happy to stand before you to conduct our today's assembly. Today's assembly is integrated with our Dalmia core promise, happiness. Happiness is a direction, not a place. So let us all be a happy person. Here comes the agenda of our program. A day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. So let us start the assembly with prayer.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम्.
Join your hands, close your eyes, pray song begins. Ramashwaruba Krishnashwaruba Ramakrishna Namostude Sharvashwaruba Shantashwaruba Paramahamsa Namostude ஆதியாம் பரம அனைத்திலும் முறைவோய் அசைவிலாய் குணங்களை கடந்தோய் ஓதினார் உள்ளத்தில் ஒளித்தரும் சுடரே உயர்நலம் உடையாய் குருவே.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
It's time to sing our school song.
बढ़ते चले बढ़ते चले बढ़ते चले बढ़ते चले बढ़ते चले बढ़ते चले हम सर्वदा बढ़ते चले बढ़ते चले बढ़ते चले हम सर्वदा हम नाम अपने सूर का ऊंचा उठाएंगे सदा हम नाम अपने सूर का ऊंचा उठाएंगे सदा बढ़ते चले बढ़ते चले बढ़ते चले हम सर्वदा बढ़ते चले बढ़ते चले बढ़ते चले हम सर्वदा उदारता का बाबू संवेदना का साथ हो 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 मन में मांगे हो नायक हमारा धर्म हो मन में मांगे हो नायक हमारा धर्म हो बढ़ते चले बढ़ते चले बढ़ते चले हम सर्वदा बढ़ते चले बढ़ते चले बढ़ते चले हम सर्वदा सत्यता का मार्ग जीवन का लक्ष्य हो 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 अखंडता का पाठ हम पढ़े हर्षोल्लास से हम बढ़े, अखंडता का पाठ हम पढ़े। हर्षोल्लास से हम बढ़े, बढ़ते चले, बढ़ते चले हम सर्वदा। बढ़ते चले, बढ़ते चले, बढ़ते चले हम सर्वदा। हम नाम अपने स्कूल का ऊंचा उठाएंगे सदा। हम नाम अपने स्कूल का ऊंचा उठाएंगे सदा। हम नाम अपने स्कूल का ऊंचा उठाएंगे सदा।
Tirukkural. If you wish to read your mind, read Tirukkural. Now I call upon Satyakumar from grade 3 to recite a Tirukkural. Namaste. I am Satyakumar from grade 3. Tirukkural. ஒப்பத்தலைக்கு உடி உள்ள பிரிதல் அனைத்தே புலவர் தொழில் பொருள் மகிழும்படியாக கூடி பழகி இவரை எப்போது காண்போம் என்று வருந்தி நினைக்கும்படியாக பிரிதல் புலவரின் தொழிலாகும். Meaning in English, it is the part of the learned to give joy to those whom they meet and on leaving to make them think. Thank you. Thank you, Satyakumar, for your valuable words. Thought for the day. Good and inspiring thought can spice up our day. So let us all widen our heart to hear the thought for the day. Namaste. If you want to be happy with what you have and be excited about what you want. Thank you. Thank you, Tarun Pranav, for your inspiring thought. Science facts. Facts are facts and it will not disappear on account of your lips. So, now I invite Shani from grade 3 to tell science facts. Namaste. Namaste. Happiness protects our heart. It strengthens our immune system. It combats stress, disease and disability. It also lengthens our lives. So be a happy person. Thank you. Thank you, Shamni, for your wonderful facts. Friends, your child who sings is a happy Rhymes. A child who sings is a happy child. So let us all lend our ears to hear the rhymes from our tiny thoughts. Namaste. I am Adeline Gladia, from grade 2. Namaste. I am Sasvin from grade 2. Namaste. I am Bachu Nandini from grade 1. Namaste. I am Samuel from grade 2. Namaste. I am Rajit from grade 1. Namaste. Making melody in my heart. Making melody in my heart. Making melody in my heart. To the King of Kings. Dance in. Making melody. Thank you, dears, for a splendid performance. Recipe of happiness. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. So let us all lend our ears to the recipe of happiness. Hello everyone. Are you looking for happiness? Here, I'm going to give you a nice recipe for happiness. Don't forget to note down the ingredients. First, take a clean bowl. In that, add a bag of smiles. And add 2 cups of sharing. And 2 pounds of positivity. And half cup of good humor. And add 1 cup of self-esteem. And 2 spoonfuls of simplicity. Mix it well. And add 1 dash and 1 dash of goodwill and 4 drops of easygoing. Finally, add a packet of Love Life. Mix it gently. Soak everything to your heart. And you will receive happiness for sure. Hope you all like my recipe. Thank you. Thank you, Blessing Jana, for your nice recipe. Storytelling. Storytelling is the most powerful way to put idea into the world today. So now I invite Shweta from grade 4 to recite a story. Namaste. Today I am going to give a story on happiness. Eva was a little girl. She had very few friends. Her best friend's name was Tina. When Tina shifted to another city, Eva became very sad. Eva and Tina had been together since the second grade. They went to school together and were in the same class. Eva was so depressed that she was not able to bid her friend a proper goodbye. Tina tried to comfort her with goodbye gifts and told her to move on. Eva missed her friend everywhere, at school, at home, and in the playground. Her other friends tried to cheer her up by including her in doing homeworks and playing games, but Eva refused. As days passed by, Eva was all alone. Her mother tried to console her, but she just went to her room and closed the door. She ate her meals, studied herself, and slept alone. One day, Emma's elder brother returned from the navy. When he saw the gloomy face of his sister, he decided to fix the situation. He advised her to be happy every moment. If Tina has left, make new friends. Play with them, go for a walk, and get some fresh air. When she did so, she felt good and was not lonely anymore. She thanked her brother for making her realize that no one is responsible for her sadness. She said it was all up to me. Her brother took her to a pizza place and they enjoyed their snack. Emma felt very happy and laughed wholeheartedly. Moral of the story: you are the artist of your life. Don't give the paintbrush to anyone else. Happiness is not something ready made, it comes from your own actions. Thank you. Thank you, Shweta, for a beautiful story. News. Let's know what's happening around North, East, West, South. News reading by Shailashmi. Namaste. Welcome to DVM channel. Today's headline: Dalmia School Virtual Meet ends today, and it is being proudly hosted by Dalmia Vidya Mandir Dalmiapuram. This program was inaugurated by our benevolent CEO Madam Dr. Rosetta Williams. This has been a 4 days program, began from 4th November and ends today. The competitions like solo song, spellathon, quiz, dance, one-act play, advertisement, and colloquium have been taking place. Wish you all the best, brothers and sisters. For latest updates, connect with us through Zoom. Thank you. This is Sai Lakshmi signing off. Thank you, Shailashmi, for updating us. Readers, now let me call upon Darshan and Kabishkar to kindle your mind by asking hilarious riddles.
Namaste.
I am Darshan from grade 3.
I am R. Kabishka from grade 5.
Hi, Kabishkar.
Hi, Darshan.
Today I am going to ask 3 questions for you. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
What begins with the T, ends with the T, and has T in it?
A cup,
No.
a teapot,
Yes, teapot is a correct answer. 2 things we cannot have in dinner. What are they?
noodles and dosa,
No.
breakfast and lunch,
Yes, breakfast and lunch is correct answer. I have a ring but no finger.
a clock,
No. A telephone? Yes, telephone is a correct answer. Now it is my turn. I am going to ask two questions for you. Are you ready to answer? Yes, I am ready. Which country get killed every time? USA? No. Brazil? As Brazil is correct answer. Where does Friday come before Thursday? A calendar? No. In the dictionary? As dictionary is the correct answer. Okay, meet you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Thank you, dears. You both really kindle our mind. Thank you, dears, for your patient listening. The purpose of your lives is to be happy. So focus on what makes you happy. Now it's time to sing our national anthem. National anthem begins.
Jana Gana Mana Jana Gana Mana Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Uttara Banga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jaladhi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage Tava Shubha Ashish Mange Gahe Tava Jaya Gatha Jana Gana Mangala Dayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He
Thank you.